That's the one thing that can make this nightmare worse.
The JMGO Smart Portable Theater. Projected onto the ceiling, logged into Netflix, and it looks pretty clear. With the remote control, I can aim it at the device.
Not a bellboy.
Push the little button with the person on it, and I get a mouse
My name's Vinny.
pointer. And
This is all you brought.
here we go.
Yeah, no, I don't plan on
Are your parents downstairs?
So you can see the mouse pointer on here. This is how it operates in the normal scheme of things, and you can click on it, and then you can type into actual text boxes. Even change the picture on the home page. There's a few to select from. There are some menus here at the bottom, and you can download different apps. You can go to the web. You can change various settings, go to Bluetooth, hook it up to your phone. Just change a whole bunch of settings for like everything. I have it hooked into my internet right now. I'm using my 5G network, and it auto set the time and the date as well once you set your general location.
Yeah, do you have any black napkins? I've been looking all over.
Black napkins? I don't think so. You don't like white. This is beige.
Yeah, it's black.
It's more of a Halloween item. Might want to try a party store.